To remove or replace the system blower, first remove the touch mat, the right rear cover, the left rear cover, the column assembly, the bottom rear cover, and the motherboard EMI shield. Pull the USB dongle cable connector out of its cable guide on the side of the blower. Detach the blower connector from the motherboard. Remove the 3 silver Torx head screws that secure the blower to the middle frame. Pull the system blower out of the unit. To replace the system blower, place the blower carefully back onto its standoffs. Secure the blower with its 3 silver Torx head screws. Replace the system blower connector to the motherboard. Replace the USB dongle cable into its cable guide on the side of the blower.